Ah, scared me.
He's like, Kurt, you better watch.
Poke me again, I fucking dare you. Oh, we should find a worm so we can, like, eat it. That'd be awesome.
Start digging.
Look at this fucker. He wants human flesh.
He's hungry. Kurt, I think you pissed him off.
Yeah, jump for it, bitch.
I'd laugh if you just boom.
Why do you have, like, bricks and, like, flowers and shit?
Jamie wanted a garden, so she made one in the worst possible spot to have a garden.
I don't mean to be mean, but
It's a pretty poor garden, isn't it?
It looks like you buried a pet there.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Does it not? Just little flowers and, like, dead spot of grass.
Yeah, flower at the head and then...
Shh, I'm bird watching.
Get close up to it, then you can, Kurt. Stick it in your hat. He's right at his eyeball right now. Can't see. Oh! Yeah.
Drink the Fanta.
Is he doing anything?
No.
He's not licking it or anything?
Oh, he's trying to... Oh, let's give him something. Here, eat this. Eat it. Eat it. Yeah, you want some?
See if he eats grass.
He fucking loves grass. That's not a long enough piece. He's gonna bite my finger off.
There he is.
Yeah. Have some grass. Damn it. Get out of there. Shoot, get. Damn it, Ryan. Ticka.
Be pretty awesome.
Eat it, motherfucker.
Be pretty awesome to be a bird though. Like someone's holding you and just.
It'd be fucking funny if like a hot